I thought I'd show you what we've done. There's our pump. We've just wired in the STREGA device with a contactor. It's got a manual switch in parallel, which if the customer just wants to come along and switch the pump on and off, that will do the same thing. But obviously LoRaWAN downlinks or the scheduler will drive the device. The switch is on, and if I do a manual off, the device obviously switches off. So there you have it. We'll test this and give you some feedback. We'll sync it in with the scheduler with the valve that this pump drives.